Students come to us coming from the industry in many cases. They may be associated with EMWA or other organizations, and they can also benefit from the membership discount in the amount of 10% if they come from a specialized organization. So participants who complete this program really get a strong understanding of the industry as a whole and its different ramifications in terms of competencies and different types of roles. They will also get some understanding on the expected type of work and the skill set needed in technical writing. And it really offers a unique array of rigorous characteristics that have to deal with ethics and compliance. Our students can also expect to practice the MAA Manual of Style as a writing and an editing tool, how to work with authors, which is extremely important because you're really supporting their work, and also the type of work needed for different audience segments, whether you're writing for the general public or you're writing for a scientific review.
One thing, you will become very well versed in the AMA Manual of Style. You use that for the majority of your courses as your textbook. By the time you leave, you will have developed a portfolio of work that you can use when you're applying for jobs, and you'll be prepared to take any editing tests when you apply for any job in the field.
The unique aspect of this program is that with each week of content, you will get a synchronous session, which is your small classroom environment in which you will benefit from meeting with an industry expert, which is your instructor, and also mingle with like-minded learners. The beauty of the medical writing and editing certificate is that it's now branching out to clinical trials and regulatory writing, so students that have an interest in learning a wide array of skills in healthcare can also benefit from our alumni scholarship. Once they have completed one certificate through us, they're eligible to get a 20% discount for any additional elective, but also towards any additional program.
One thing that I used when I was hiring people at the Journal of the American Medical Association was if they were in this program. If they were in the University of Chicago program, medical writing and editing program, I knew they were serious about editing, and I knew they were getting educated. So they already had a leg up. So anytime I saw that someone was enrolled in the program, I would interview them for whatever job I had that was open. I had one student who did very well in the classes, and she now works for the American Academy of Pediatrics, which I also freelance for, and she is my supervisor. So I think of that as an incredible success story, and we love working together.